Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to register on RIA money transfer. The first thing I want you to do is download the app, launch it, and then come here and tap on not registered. Okay, it'll prompt you to sign up. Just enter your first name, last name, put a gender, a date of birth, and a mobile number. Now once you have given all of these details, come here and tap on next. And then you need to choose your ID type, whether it's a national ID, a foreign passport, whatever it is. Then just enter your ID number, the expiration date for that ID, and your nationality. Then just tap on next again. Okay, enter your address, tap on next, and then all you need to do is upload a photo of your identity document and a photo of yourself holding your identity document so that they can actually verify. So this one will be a selfie, and once you're done, just tap on finish. Okay, upload your documents, tap on finish, and you're done. Really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.